Hey, what's going on, everybody? So unfortunately, Amazon has cut their commission rates by a lot. So I'm going to go over like how you should combat this and what you can do now moving forward, especially if you built your business around Amazon Associates affiliate program. So guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, affiliate marketing. So guys, let's get right into this. And unfortunately, right here you can see Amazon is slashing commission rates for its affiliate program. But you can see here, these are the new rates for furniture, home improvement. It's down to 3%, guys. I believe this was at 8 to 10. Now it's down to 3%, so more than half, unfortunately. Headphones, beauty, musical instrument, 3%. I know a lot of people, I had a client of mine that built like a beauty store, and it was just on Amazon Associates program, and now it's down to 3%, guys, which is pretty much nothing. Okay, so that sucks. Outdoor tools down to 3%, grocery 1%, sports 3%, baby products 3%, health and personal care 1%. So that sucks. Okay. What do we do now? And what do I recommend that you do especially if you went all in with Amazon Associates? Okay. So guys, this is what I do in my business. Okay. And this is how I protect myself. Okay. So I have my main affiliate programs. I have my main affiliate tools that I promote. Okay. But the main difference with me, and this is what I recommend you do, is that you build a brand around your name. Okay. So for example, for me, guys, my niche is I teach people how to start an online business. I teach people how to do affiliate marketing. I teach people, how to start a YouTube channel, right? And I have products based on, what I recommend, right? So I don't really have any of my own products besides my one-on-one coaching right now, okay? So what I'm saying is, for example, my main program that I promote is a program called Legendary Marketer. And I'll just show you real quick this program, okay? This is the main program I promote. This program teaches people how to start an online business from beginning to end, okay? Now, okay, I didn't build my whole branding around that company, okay? Let's just say they were to change their commission structure, or they were to change something that I didn't like. And, that's the thing with an affiliate program, guys. They can literally change their program in a second, okay? That's their business, their program. They can do what they want. Now, there's pros and cons to affiliate marketing. The pros are you don't have customer support. You don't have to create a product. You don't have to deal with like any of the sales. That's the pros, right? And I love the pros about affiliate marketing. Now, the only downside that I see is they can change their commission structure anytime they want, okay? Clickfunnels recently did that. Clickfunnels went from 40% to starting out at 20%, right? And that was unfortunate for a lot of people starting out, right? But this is what I recommend, guys, and this is what will really protect you going in the moving forward in the future. Okay, so what I recommend is that you build a brand around your niche. Okay, so for example, for me, like I said, it's around how to make money online. I teach people how to do certain things, and I have certain tools. I have certain products that I recommend to those people. Right now, the tools and products I recommend. If for some reason or one day that program decides to, slash their commission rates, which it could happen, right? Obviously Amazon did it. It doesn't matter, as long as I build my brand, I can just switch to another program that I believe in, that I want to promote, that I actually, want to help people with. Okay. And that's the biggest difference, guys. As you can see here, all these videos you can see are not specifically promoting one program. They're promoting how to do something, right? So I teach someone how to do something. I give them value, and then I switch them to the affiliate program or the affiliate tool that I'm trying to promote, right? So I only promote one program. This is what I want you guys to understand. I only promote one program, but I have tools that I promote, right? So obviously, my niche is a make money online niche. I promote one program to teach someone how to make money online, but then obviously I promote the tools and the softwares you need to be able to do that, okay? So that's the difference, right? I always preach only promote one program, which I do. I only promote one program, but, you need tools to be able to start your online business. So that's kind of how, my business model works. Okay. Now the biggest difference with, how I run my business is the main goal of my business is to collect an email address. Okay. So if we go to my email marketing leads here, you can see here, that I have gained, right now my list size is around 9,000 people. Okay, so I can send an email to my 9,000 people right now, and I can make sales, right? Because I have a large list, right? This list was actually over 20,000 at some point. I cut it down for the people that actually open up my emails. So this was actually up to 20,000. I actually cut it in half because I only want people on my email list that are actually opening up my emails, okay? But the point is, guys, I didn't build my business around, let's just say, Amazon headphones, okay? I didn't build my business around like a certain I guess, website, right? Because, if Amazon were to cut their prices, which they did, now you're kind of screwed, right? You're kind of scrambling at this point, okay? So what I would do moving forward is to create a brand, like let's just say you're doing headphones, right? Your whole brand should be based on headphones and not the actual product, okay? A lot of people, what I see doing is they're basing their whole business around the actual product. So for example, for this program here, Legendary Marketer, okay? I can make like videos, like if I really wanted to, I could make videos just about Legendary Marketer. My YouTube channel could be called Legendary Marketer Jonathan Montoya, whatever, right? It can be based on that program, right? But like I said, you shouldn't be basing your business around the actual program, but around your brand and your business, okay? Because at the end of the day, you got to understand, people buy from you because they trust you, okay? People buy from me because I give people value. I show people how to use certain tools, and I have goodwill in the marketplace. I'm willing to help you guys. Obviously, you've seen me in the Facebook group. I'm in the trenches with you guys. I'm helping you guys out. And in return, people buy the products I promote because obviously I'm using them. They see me using them. So why wouldn't they buy what I promote, right? So that's basically what I want to talk about, guys. And do not ever build your business and your brand around a one product in particular or one business, okay? Build your brand around your niche. Get really good in your niche, and if something were to happen, you can very quickly pivot, okay? It's very, very easy. So for example, let's just go to one of my videos here, okay? I'm just going to go to this video here. And you can see, watch, I just will show you an example how this works, okay? Because I want you guys to really, I don't want you to get stuck in this, this thing where you can like literally lose your business overnight. I mean, if you're an Amazon associate, you didn't lose your business. You just lost like 60 to 70% of your profit, which is pretty much, losing your business, right? So that definitely sucks. But let me go back here, guys. In all my videos, okay, you see that I have a link, okay? This is my link here, my #1 training to make a passive income online, okay? And this is this link right here. This is my #1 product I promote, okay? And that's this product here, Legendary Marketer, okay? And if you've gone through it, you know why. It's an amazing program that actually help people start an online business, okay? So that's the main program I promote. And then if you guys go down here I have a ton of resources that I promote as well. So like TubeBuddy, Morning Fame, I have Bluehost. I have all kinds of stuff that I promote as far as my resources, okay? So if TubeBuddy or Morning Fame or, Get Response, any of these programs that I promote, if they were to slash their commissions, then I would just find another program and it wouldn't be a problem, right? So that's what I want you guys to understand, that I can pivot very quickly because I built my business and my brand around me, around what I teach, around my actual, my niche, my make money online, how to start an online business, how to start a YouTube channel. That's what I teach. If you guys ever watch any of my videos, you understand the main thing I teach is YouTube, how to start and grow a YouTube channel, how to monetize a YouTube channel, how to do affiliate marketing, how to start an online business. Those are my core elements that I teach, okay? And the products I promote, those are my, I have the products in my description, okay? Now, another thing, guys, is obviously I teach affiliate marketing, right? I teach people how to do affiliate marketing, and I do it myself. That's what I practice. I do not have my own products, okay? But if you build your brand and a product, or if you build your brand, you can sell your own product if you want. It doesn't matter, okay? That's the power of having a brand. I can come up with my own course. I can come up with my own software, and people will buy because they know, like, and trust me. So that's the difference between a good affiliate marketer and a great affiliate marketer, is you're building a brand around your name. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. I hope this video was of value. I hope that the Amazon associates didn't mess you up too bad. Please reach out to me if you have any questions on that, because I know one of my trainings I do talk about Amazon associates, and I always say that, always go for high ticket commission. That's always what I recommend if you're looking to do, start a high ticket passive income business. Always go higher ticket, because it's gonna make it worth your time, guys. And that's why I teach. That's why I promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, and to learn as well. If you're looking to start online business, if you're looking to start as a complete beginner, click the first link in the description, guys. It's going to take you through a challenge. And if you're looking to, promote them as an affiliate, you also got to go through the challenge as well. So go through that. And this is where I would start if you're an absolute beginner, guys. So I hope this video was of value, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, give me a comment. I'll respond to you guys, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.